Unit of rate. In order to find out the unit, let us consider a general reaction. The same general reaction would be used to explain AA plus BB plus CC giving product, where small letter A, B, C are the stoichiometric factors, capital A, capital B and capital C are the reactants. If the rate law is, that means the experimental data based on that, the rate law can be written as constant K, A raised to the power P, B raised to the power Q, C raised to the power R, and consider P plus Q plus R is equal to N. We have the equation rate is equal to constant K into all, these are all reactants. Therefore, in general, concentration of the reactants raised to the power N. That means P plus Q plus R is equal to N. Therefore, the whole raised to the power N. Please refer the syllabus. This equation is specifically mentioned. Therefore, what all equations mentioned in the syllabus, normally they used to ask for 3 marks or 2 marks question. Now, this equation can be modified and can be written as K is equal to rate by concentration of the reactants raised to the power N. Based on this, we can find out the unit which is used for K, that is the rate constant or specific reaction rate or velocity constant. Rate is always expressed in moles per liter per second. Concentration of the reactants is always expressed as moles per liter. Now, since we are saying that P plus Q plus R is equal to N, moles per liter raised to the power N. Therefore, the rate constant K has the unit of moles per liter 1 minus N raised to the per second. This is the unit for. Choose the correct answer question can be given for the ISE examination regarding the units of this type of rate constant, first order reaction, like that. Hence, in general, the unit of rate constant are mole 1 minus N, liter N minus 1 and per second, where N represents the overall sum of the powers appearing in the rate law. This we are going to study more detail, overall sum of the powers appearing in the rate law. For a gaseous reaction, the unit of rate constant are atmosphere 1 minus N per second. Next point is characteristics of rate constant. This portion is important for 3 marks question. Give 3 characteristics, or for 2 marks question, give 2 characteristics of the rate constant. Some of the important characteristics of the rate constant are as follows. 1. Rate constant is a measure of the rate of reaction. Then, higher the value of K, greater the rate of reaction. Fill in the blank. Higher, greater. 2. A particular reaction has a definite value of K at a particular temperature. And again, fill in the blank question. 3. The value of rate constant for a particular reaction increases with increase in temperature. Another fill in the blank question. 4th one. The rate constant does not depend upon the initial concentration of the reactants. 5th one. Its unit depends upon the overall order of the reaction. This we'll explain again. The sum of the powers to which the concentration term has been raised in the rate law. For a reaction of order N, the unit of rate constant are mole 1 minus N, L, that is liters, N minus 1 per second. a table in page number 213, difference between the reaction rate and specific reaction rate is given. We already discussed the specific, these are all the points, specific reaction rate, and we already discussed the rate of reaction earlier. Therefore, please see that differences given in page number 213 and copy it into your notebook, because there is a model questions, what it is given to ISC questions, it is given distinguish between two factors. Therefore, this table will help you to understand the differences.